Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and life hack lovers. Today, we're diving into some fascinating facts about DIY projects and life hacks that you may not have known before. So sit back, relax, and get ready to have your mind blown. Did you know that the concept of do-it-yourself, or DIY, has been around for centuries? That's right. People have been taking matters into their own hands and creating things from scratch long before the internet or YouTube even existed. It's a testament to the human spirit of innovation and creativity. One interesting fact about DIY is that it can save you money. By tackling projects yourself, you can bypass the costs of hiring professionals and instead learn new skills while saving a pretty penny. Plus, there's a special sense of satisfaction that comes from saying, "I made that." Now, let's move on to life hacks. These handy tips and tricks have gained popularity in recent years, thanks to the power of the internet. But did you know that they actually originated in the early 2000s? Life hacks started as productivity techniques shared among computer programmers, helping them work smarter and more efficiently. Another cool fact about life hacks is that they can save you time and effort. From using binder clips to organize cables to repurposing household items for unexpected uses, life hacks are all about finding clever shortcuts that make your life easier. Who wouldn't want that? But here's a twist. Not all life hacks actually work. There's a fair share of trial and error involved, so don't be discouraged if a hack doesn't pan out as expected. It's all part of the learning process, and sometimes, you stumble upon your own ingenious solutions along the way. So, whether you're a seasoned DIY pro or just getting started, and whether you're a life hack master or a curious learner, remember to have fun, embrace the journey, and never stop exploring the world of DIY and life hacks. Who knows what incredible discoveries and creations await you? Happy hacking!